Now let's talk about exceptions. Even if your program is correct, it can still cause an error during execution if the program encounters an unaccepted situation, like trying to divide by zero or trying to open a file that doesn't exist, like we see in previous section. Such situations cause exceptions to be raised. Okay, let's see an example. I will create a new Python file and name the exception demo. And let's try to divide a number by 0. 10 divided by 0. Let's try to run our Python script. And you can see that this code raise a 0 division error because division by 0 is not acceptable. In Python, we can handle exceptions by using try and except block. The try block contains the code that might raise an exception, and the except block contains the code that executes if exception occurs. Let's modify our code. So at first I will put try, because this operation can raise error. And after that I will put except 0 division error. Print you can't divide by 0. Okay, let's try to run our code again. And right now we can see that we don't have any exception, but a message, you can't divide by 0. In this code, the try block executes first. If an exception occurs, the rest of the try block is skipped and the except block is executed. If no exception occurs, the except block is skipped. It's possible that we can handle different type of exceptions separately by using multiple except blocks. Okay, let's see our example with opening the file. And here we have exception file not found. But we can also add another exception. Except permission error. You don't have the permission to read the file. In this example, we handle file not found error and permission error, printing different message for each error. In a try except block, we can also have a final block. The final block lets you specify a block of code to be executed no matter whatever an exception was raised or not. This is typically used for cleanup actions like closing files or network connections. Okay, we can try to modify our try except block, and in the end I will put finally print this block is always executed. Okay, let's try to run our Python file. Okay, we can see that the file does not exist because we haven't defined this file, and we can see that our finally block is always executed. Okay, I will modify the second line. So previously we have created the file.txt and try to run our Python code again. And yes, we can see that we have successfully read the file, and also the finally block is always executed.